Welcome to today's lesson on copying and pasting in Adobe Illustrator. So I've created a pink circle and copied it using Command-C or Control-C. And now I'm going to change the color of the circle so that we'll be able to see when we paste in the pink one. So to paste, a simple paste is Command-V or Control-V. And if you use that, then Adobe will place your pasted circle in the center of your artboard area. Paste front, which is Command F or Control F, will place the copied circle directly in front of everything on that artboard in the same place. There is also a paste back, which is Command B or Control B, and it will place that copied circle in the back of everything that's on the artboard. The paste in place command, which is Shift Command V or Shift Control V, will place the pasted circle directly in front of that artboard. But you can also click on a different artboard, and when you hit that same command, it will paste that circle in the same position but on another artboard. There is also a Paste on All Artboards command, which is Shift-Alt-Command-V or Shift-Alt-Control-V, and it places it on all artboards.